Good morning everyone. So today is our final day here in El Nido. The main thing we're going to be doing later on is going to Nacpan Beach, which is supposed to be one of the best beaches around here. Right now we've just like walked down the coast a bit of El Nido, and yeah, you get some really fantastic views here. We were here on our first day here, but it was like cloudy, so now we've come when the sun's here and you can get just some amazing views. Yeah, so now you just have amazing views of all the mountains in the background. And then you got the town over there, which is where we've been staying. And the tide's really low, so you can walk all over this thing. Some guy over there as well. And there you got another island. You can do an island tour to that one as well. I'm not sure what the name is. Really beautiful though. Those drone shots should have given you a better idea of how the town of El Nido looks. Probably like many years ago this used to be some relaxed like paradise. Now it's just chaos really, but yeah, from afar looks amazing really. And now we're just going to be heading to a cafe that I went to the other day. Gonna have breakfast there, and we're going there because that place had kind of decent internet, and that's where I was able to upload my first video, so hopefully I can upload another one. So the cafe that we've come to is CB Cafe, and I am gonna get a banana pancake, 140, a little under $3. Breakfast is looking pretty amazing. Yours looks good as well, Carol. Got coffee, what is it, watermelon, banana, bread and egg. Yummy. We're now back at our hostel, and it looks like I got lucky. So 88%, 20 minutes remaining. So the internet here the other day was really awful, but yeah, it looks like it's working pretty good today. So I'm gonna get this video uploaded, and then we're gonna head to Nacpan Beach. Nacpan. So we arrived in Nacpan Beach. It's a lot more nicer than I expected. I first saw this place in a video of a famous travel blogger called Lost LeBlanc. You might have heard of him already. He's one of the most famous ones. I saw that video ages ago, so it's pretty crazy to actually be here. Really beautiful though. So you can see the sand is pretty white. Huge beach. It goes all the way to that point and then all the way down there. I think it's 5 kilometers. And you just have loads of beautiful palm trees everywhere. So the van that we got was 600 pesos to get here, and I think that's the cheapest way to get here if you don't have a motorbike or scooter. So yeah, that's what we did. That's just under $12. So anyway, let's check out this beach. Spot to relax here. I bought some bananas here. It was like 5 for $1, which is pretty expensive for a Philippine price, right? But yeah, I really wanted to eat, so we got that. And we kind of come a bit far away from the more touristy part. Over there in the middle, you had like all the restaurants and stuff. they make everything like wooden huts, so that adds a nice vibe to it. There's a restaurant also in this village, so we're probably going to check that out later on. The prices in the main part were like $5 something, so yeah, maybe we can find something cheaper and local too. We've been on this beach now for a few hours, been just like relaxing. We even did some exercise, and this beach seems to always be considered like the best beach in Asia. That's what we keep seeing, right? Yeah. Best beach in Asia on TripAdvisor or something like that. And I don't know, what do you think?
Well, I don't know, it's pretty amazing, but I don't know, maybe there are other beautiful beaches.
Yeah, I mean, this is only our 7th day in the Philippines. We haven't been anywhere else in Asia, but I do imagine there's probably better beaches than this. I mean, it is beautiful, like the palm trees, and it's super huge. I think I like the fact like there's parts here where you can chill out, right? And then in the middle, you could also like drink and stuff, places to drink and play music, stuff like that. So yeah, there's a bit of everything for any kind of person really. And I think right now we're just gonna go to that local place that I showed you earlier and get a bite to eat. So I went for this grilled fish here, and Carol, you getting the grilled chicken?
Yeah.
Grilled chicken, and we got this nice little beach view here. Then right behind me you can see, got some of the locals here, their houses. Yeah, they brought the hits out now, guys. Now this is a real meal. Forever young, I wanna be forever young.
You're gonna be.
I'm gonna be. So here it is, got 2 very fresh fish, some rice, I think that's like soy sauce, and then you got Carol's grilled chicken, and a very hungry dog. Hello there. The fish tastes really awesome. What about yours?
It's great, yeah. I like it.
Really tasty. So this food here was probably around like $2 each cheaper than going at like the touristy part down there. So yeah, if you want to save money, it's a good option. Also support the locals, right?
Yeah.
Now come to the other beach that you saw before. So I found out the name, it's called Katilang Beach, and the part where it like joins together is called Twin Beach. So nobody's here, like none of the tourists come to this one, they just stay on Nacpan. But yeah, really beautiful beach as well.
What's wrong?
Hello, is that your dog?
Hello.
It's your dog, what's it called?
Paikot ako.
My name's Chris.
Wala, mabitawan ko lang. Paikot.
What do we do?
Yeah, let's do it.
Ako rin paikot. Minik. Yeah. Yeah. Ulit dyan.
Hey. What's your name?
Jumo.
Jumo.
Me Jumo. Me. Me Jumo.
You're Jumo.
Batman.
Batman.
Yeah.
Where's
No.
Superman?
Superman.
Where's Spider-Man?
Yeah. Me.
Spider-Man over there. Oh, you're Spider-Man.
Yeah. Yeah, Bente. Uy, ano, patingin. Picturean ko sila, picturean.
Him.
Hem.
Hey.
Hem.
Just a camera.
Very pretty.
Hello. What's your name? What's your name? Hey, ikaw! Where are you? This serpent. Nakikita mo ako, Tas? Ano si Jomo? This serpent, sour, Shannon. Yay! Where are you going?
Where? We are going to El Nido.
I'm gonna attack Carol.
Running, we're running. May kalaban tayo! Let's go! Takbo na! Takbo na! Yeah!
Picture.
Nice.
It's video.
Nice. Come tayo.
Got the future YouTubers here. YouTube lesson. So the plan was to enjoy a relaxing sunset until we ran into these guys. They basically just invaded and then, yeah, that was it. What is wrong with you, dog? Hey! Whoa! Dog, what the hell? Hey, get away! Get off me! Get lost! This is one affectionate dog. Whoa, chill, bro. Carol, what happened to our relaxing sunset?
It's over.
Over. Dogs going crazy. Kids going crazy. Okay, we're back at Nacpan Beach now. We're just waiting for the van to come to pick us up. So I didn't know, but there's actually loads of places you can stay here on Nacpan Beach. If I had known, I would have actually stayed the night here instead of El Nido again. So yeah, it's been an interesting day, man. This beach is pretty amazing. We got to meet what was it? Spider-Man, Batman, Superman. Yeah. So that
a lot
was
of dogs. Like
a lot of dogs, yeah, like these guys. And that one over there. So this place is just dogs and children invading the whole time, but it's a lot of fun at least, and yeah, very beautiful. So yeah, let us know what you think the most beautiful beach in Asia is, or in the Philippines is, because we're going to be traveling around here, and yeah, we might check it out depending on what you say. And as always, drop a like on this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.